This is where giants are built. But their journey doesn't end at the factory.
Each machine weighs more than 100 tons. Moving it is an operation of its own.
From this moment on, every meter forward is carefully calculated. Roads are only the beginning. Oceans are the real challenge. This is how giants travel the world, and why nothing about it is simple.
Final weight distribution looks correct on the tablet.
Great. Everything checked out. Approved for transport.
Keep coming back easy. Hold it right there. Affirmative. A little more to the left. Easy now. And hold it. Stop. Bridge clearance at marker 22 is tight. Double check the height.
Copy that. Convoy is a go. Rolling out now.
Clear on the left side. Keep coming.
Overhead clear. Watch the turn.
We are approaching the apex. Laser confirms 10 centimeters clearance.
Looking good. Trajectory is solid. Clear of the structure.
Convoy is clear of the intersection. Moving to the next block.
Roger that. Holding cross traffic until clear. Keep it tight to the curb. Clear on the right.
Okay, all clear. Straighten her out.
Binders are secure, reading 300 foot-pounds.
Copy that. Suspension is balanced. Good to go.
Convoy 3 approaching heavy lift zone 4.
Copy that. Gates are clear. Guide them to the yellow marks. The schedule confirms Bay 7 for the Americas route.
Yes, positioning is precise. We are clear for loading sequence.
Okay, the center of gravity is confirmed here. Looks good. We are clear to hoist. All right, we're hooked up. Take the tension. Looking good. Hold it right there.
Lift stable at 20 meters. Continue ascent to clear the stack.
All right, easy now. Bring her down slow. Clear to proceed. Watch your spacing.
Hold it right there. Perfect alignment. Landed. All clear.
All clear below. Hoist the rigging. Deck is secure.
Keep tightening that turnbuckle.
It's fully tensioned now.
Okay, check the torque, then mark it.
The giant excavator is secured for transit. Stability readings remain well within parameters, despite the gentle swells.
Weather modeling shows a clear path here. Let's update the route and maintain speed.
Confirmed, Captain. The new ETA is holding steady.
How are the forward lashings holding? Solid. Recheck complete.
Starboard tug, increase push to 5. Hold the stern steady. We are aligned with the berth.
Mooring lines secure. Proceed with barrier setup.
Ensure the exclusion zone is maintained.
Roger that. Control, the perimeter is green. We are clear for the lift sequence.
Final chain released and tagged. All clear below. Send it down easy.
Cables are tight. Watch the load shift.
Clear the zone. We are ready for the lift.
Watch the tracks clear the coaming. Roger that. Tension is good. Swing into the pier.
This compliance certificate covers the hydraulics and the serial number matches the manifest.
Confirmed. The ID tag scan is
No transport damage.
Keep coming straight, slow, and steady.
That's it. Hold it there. Perfect alignment. Crane, hold position. Coming down slow. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Looks good. Set her down. Okay, the rural bypass looks clear.
Confirmed. We are good to go.
We are clear of the port gate. Watch the turn up ahead.
Roger that. Checking mirrors now.
Convoy approaching the turnoff. Flagger is in position. 10-4, looking clear on the highway.
Clear on the left. Watch the overhang. Keep it coming slow. All right, bring it straight ahead to the staging area.
Confirmed. The ground compaction is ready for offloading.
This is the final lift plan. Remember the hand signals? This means hoist. This is emergency stop.
Control, this is Sierra 1. All teams are green. Commencing operation.
Load bearing confirmed. We are clear for the unload.
Roger that. Let's move the machine.
all parameters are reading green. We have confirmation on the calibration.
Excellent. System check is nominal. Ensure the auxiliary hydraulics are disengaged here before powering down.
Understood. I've reviewed the sequence in the manual.
The cylinder temperature is steady at 85 degrees Celsius.
Noted. We are approaching the 500th cycle.
Temperatures are holding steady across the board.
Fuel consumption is exactly as expected. We are clear for deployment.
Clear to proceed, watch your left side. Next truck, back in tight.
All metrics are green across the board.
Excellent. Let's finalize the sign-off.
We've scheduled the major service for the 16,000 hour mark.
That aligns perfectly with our operational timeline. Manifest shows 40 hydraulic hoses.
That matches the physical count here.
Data looks solid, no issues with emissions.
And the noise levels are compliant. Good to go.
Check the scheduling board, we're ahead of target on the loads.
Confirmed. Keep the truck cycling smoothly.
Load secured, swing it left now. Copy that, keep it steady.
All the transport clearance records are updated and confirmed.
Excellent. Let's finalize the sign-off right here. And that completes the shipping phase.
Okay, the connection is live. Signal strength is green across the board.
Perfect. The engine health indicators look good too.
We need to extend the boundary line another 50 meters west.
All right, I'll have the team move the markers immediately.
The analytics confirm optimal performance. Uptime percentages are exactly where we want them to be.
Clear to dump. Over. Roger that.
Final archive complete on the shipment logs.
Good. Let's close this out.
From factory completion to final job site delivery, this is Machine at Scale, a new global standard in earthmoving. From the factory to the world, the journey is complete. Now, the real work begins.